And welcome back to today's Retirees with Certified Financial Planner Wayne Maslick of Great Lakes Benefits and Wealth Management. On today's program, we are talking about your life savings and who are you trusting it to. As we talked about in our first segment, Wayne, there's a lot of choices that we have to help us, because most of us don't have the wherewithal to do all the education and all the research to figure it out. Mm-hmm. Some folks are able to do that, but most of us aren't. So let's talk about some of these folks that we may go to and that we are trusting, use that word, trusting with our life savings. Mm-hmm. So the first one on our list is our insurance agent. Mm-hmm. Now, when you say that, and we talk about an insurance agent, first thing that jumps in my head is, the person that sells me home and auto and that kind of thing. Is that what you're talking about? Or?
It can be. More and more, a company is about making money, mm-hmm. right? So
sure.
When you look at a State Farm, a Nationwide type of an Allstate. Mm-hmm. Normally years ago we were going to those folks to get some car insurance and some homeowners. Mm-hmm. But what are they doing now? So
some of them even call themselves banks.
They're doing banking. They're doing investments. Mm-hmm. They're selling annuities. They're selling CDs. They want to make money. Okay.
Sure.
Same with the bank. You just used to CDs or go get a loan. Well, they're selling investments now and everything. Mm-hmm. So don't confuse your insurance agent that's going to try and sell you a product or investment as being a financial planner.
Okay.
And I'm not saying they're bad people. I'm not saying they don't know what they're talking about when it comes to investments or insurance. What I'm saying is, don't assume they're your financial planner.
Sure.
Okay, they're the guy or girl that's selling you an investment. Okay, so that's a big mistake I see people make. Mm-hmm. They like their insurance person, so they're going to give them, their investments, whatever the case, which is okay, but just understand they are not a financial planner in most cases.
Sure.
They may try and do financial planning. They may give financial advice, i.e. financial advisor, but are they necessarily the right person to help you with your net worth and your entire estate?
Sure. Well, so my thinking is they also are probably just going to put you in whatever product they represent.
Well, of course. I mean, they're captive people. Mm-hmm. Your Allstate guy can't sell you a State Farm annuity, mm-hmm. Or whatever fund or whatever investment they're trying to sell you. So just be careful, do your due diligence, make sure the person that you're trusting your money to knows their stuff.
Sure.
Make sure they're an expert.
Right.
And not just in selling a product, but how is that product going to affect your retirement? How is that product going to affect your taxation, current taxation, future taxation? Is it a quality product? If it's a mutual fund or investment, is it a quality one? Does it have high Morningstar ratings? How is it ranked in their category of its peers? It's just there's a lot of things involved, and just don't assume they're your financial planner.
Sure, absolutely. So it's in a lot of ways it's kind of buyer beware. Make sure you know what they're doing and how that's going to work for you. That's one of the things I like about you is you look at that, but you also look at 10 years from now, what that's going to do to your taxes and your retirement and all that kind of thing.
Yeah, I mean, even these long-term annuities, these fixed annuities that people will get in, because it's a little higher rate, but chances are interest rates are going to be going up. Mm-hmm. So why would you want to lock yourself into a fixed rate today if rates are going to go up 1, 2, 3 years from now? You're going to be stuck in this thing.
Sure.
Not that it's bad. We do laddering and different things like that if we want to take advantage of a rate like that. Mm-hmm. But yeah, you got to know what you're doing.
Sure, absolutely. Well, the next guy that we're going to talk about is a stockbroker. Your broker.
Your broker. And a broker can mean many things. Mm-hmm. You just said stockbroker. Well, many times brokers aren't stockbrokers.
Okay.
There's a broker is somebody that has a securities license to sell stocks, bonds, mutual funds, variable annuities, that makes a commission when they sell you the product or make a trade.
Okay.
So you buy a stock from ABC Company, from a broker at that company. They're going to make a commission on that when you buy or sell a stock or bond. When they put you in a mutual fund, they're going to make a commission.
Okay.
They get paid a commission on a transaction. Generally speaking, that's a broker.
Okay.
Now, there are people out there that are stockbrokers. That they stock trade. They buy and sell stocks on your behalf, and some are really good at it. I'm not. I don't like using individual stocks or bonds. That's not my cup of tea. There's some people out there that are really good at it. But don't, again, assume your broker is your financial planner.
Sure.
Which I hear people say that all the time. My financial planner says that, like, okay, well, who's this financial planner? Where are they at? And here they're at this brokerage firm, a Merrill Lynch or UBS or any one of the other ones, but they're not a financial planner. They're a broker.
Sure.
So folks, just don't get confused out there. That's all.
And don't confuse it. All right, when we come back, we're going to talk more about your life savings and who are you trusting your life savings to. Pick up the phone and give Wayne a call, because Wayne is a certified financial planner. 866-626-3990. We'll be back right after this.